and my scallion and my garlic. So first, I'm going to add garlic. Okay, I'm going to add my onions. Left over from the stuffing that I put inside. I'm going to put my potatoes. Change of thought, I'm going to put my turnips, these are the turnips, I'm going to put those in first. Add the potatoes. These are potato wedge. All of these things are cooked. My bell peppers. Last, I'm adding my carrots. Watching the Winston TV on the YouTube. Talk about some scallion. Some juice in here, no water. I'm going to add some juice, and that is going to be some chicken broth. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube channel. This is a baked stuffed oven baked chicken. Okay, my friends in YouTube land, I add everything, all the ingredients that I need to add into this. So I'm going to put it back into the oven and leave it there to finish baking, and that will be the end of that. Alright? You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Juice. Place the chicken with some juice. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. This is the oven stuffed baked chicken that I'm doing. The oven stuffed baked chicken. According to this thermometer, the chicken is cooked because it pops. It pops. It's shooting up. Okay. Pop from the base and now sprouting out. So which means it says officially the chicken inside is cooked. So which means I can actually stop it at this point. But I need some of this liquid to dry out. So I'm going to keep it here for a while. But the chicken is now cooked and ready to be consumed. So you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright. Looks fantastically done. Alright, she looks pretty. She's cooked. She looks delightfully. It looks delightful and delicious. She's looking delightful. You are watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV. So this is the final product. This is the end result of this oven stuffed baked chicken. Oven stuffed baked chicken. With potatoes, Idaho potatoes, Irish potatoes, turnips, carrots, bell peppers, onions, scallion, and seasoned rice stuffed on the inside. So it's cooked because here's the thermostat that was inside the chicken. It pops up, so it says that the chicken is cooked on the inside and is ready for consumption. Baked chicken. Right. And I'm taking out some of my nice, juicy, delicious seasoned rice. Potatoes with that. Potatoes with that. And some carrots. So this is my dinner. So this is my dinner. Here I'm adding some bacon bits. Some bacon bits to the salad. So that's my dressing to it. Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. So that is my dinner for today. This is oven stuffed roast chicken with seasoned rice. Oven stuffed roast chicken with seasoned rice. Thank you for watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. Please do like and share and please subscribe to my channel in support of my channel. I thank you very much for going along this journey with me. I will see you on another cooking journey on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. Thanks for viewing.